Hello, my name is Jakub, and today I will present you our end-to-end testing agent that we implemented for the LangGraph hackathon. First of all, I would like to explain what is end-to-end testing. End-to-end testing ensures a website's entire workflow functions as expected from start to finish. Writing these tests is usually difficult and is even more difficult to maintain them. These tests try to simulate a real user behavior. What was our motivation and what is the use case? So as I already said, writing end-to-end tests is difficult because they test fully functional complex systems, and these tests operate in a dynamic and changing environment. Therefore, we want to make the process of writing and evaluating end-to-end tests easier, and we decided to implement the end-to-end testing agent for that. This agent allows a user to specify the test case in a human language, and then the agent generates the tests and evaluates it and provides a report. The workflow of the agent is visualized on the right. So first, we convert user instructions into the set of actions. We then obtain initial action, which is always navigation to the user specified URL. We obtain the website state in the form of document object model. We generate the code for a single action. We validate this code, and we do this in the loop until we generate code for all the actions. Then we post-process the whole testing script. We evaluate it using PyTest, and we generate test report for the user. This is the example from our tutorial notebook. So first we start a example web page which contains a registration form. We then instruct the agent to test this registration form, and as you can see from the logs of the agent, he iteratively generates the action and he validates it until he does this for all the actions. He then evaluates the whole testing script and provides the report to the user. And this is how the final report looks like. So it shows the user what actions the agent took. It provides the whole generated script, and it also contains the result of the test evaluation, so whether it passed or not. That is all from me. Thank you for the attention.